5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Petitioner number 1 is a registered association of librarians of the libraries and is registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860, duly recognized by the state government. It has been formed with the ends of safeguard interest of its members and spouses, their cause in the matter of employment. The petitioner number 2 is the General Secretary of the members of the said associations, and the petitioners are working at different places. Initially, the instant writ petition was preferred by the petitioners, claiming parity in the matter of scales of pay on the posts of librarian, deputy librarian, and assistant librarian of the universities and the librarians in the degree colleges, with the pay scales of professors, readers, and lecturers respectively in the matter of universities, and the pay scale of lecturers in the matter of degree colleges. The petitioners have also sought a writ of mandamus for directing the opposite parties to give post-to-post parity in the scales with those of central government, central universities, and its affiliated degree colleges on the post of librarian, deputy librarian, and assistant librarian of the universities, and the librarian of the universities and the librarian of the degree colleges. It has also been inter alia prayed to direct the opposite parties to pay arrears with effect from 1/4/1980, as well as promotion with retrospective effect. During the pendency of the writ petition, the state government issued the GO dated 29/2/1996, granting only the UGC pay scales to the librarians, deputy librarians, and assistant librarians. Therefore, the petitioners amended the writ petition and inter alia prayed for quashing of the GO dated 29/2/1996 as far as it denies the benefit of merit promotion scheme to the petitioners, which has been granted to the teachers and lecturers in physical education. At the outset, we deem it necessary to mention that writ petition was filed in the year 1993 and was registered as writ petition number 1303 MB of 1993. Later on, it came to the notice that this writ petition has wrongly been registered as miscellaneous bench matter, as it relates to service benefits of librarians. Therefore, by the order dated 28/7/2005, a division bench of this court directed for placing the same before the bench dealing with service matters, and accordingly it has been renumbered as 1303/SB of 2005. Conspectus of the facts are as under. It is averred that on the recommendation of the University Grants Commission in the year 1956, the governor was pleased to order that the scale of pay of librarians in such added degree colleges where the postgraduate teaching in at least 3 subjects was being rendered be given the pay scales of rupees 200-15-350-EB-20-460 per month with effect from April 1st, 1956. It was treated to be approved item of expenditures for the purposes of granting aid. This scale was also admissible to the librarians who have possessed academic qualifications required for appointment of teachers in that scale. In the year 1962, an order dated 7th June 1962 was issued by the Director of Education, Uttar Pradesh, on the recommendations of the University Grant Commission, Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad, with respect to the pay scales of librarians in the degree colleges, enunciating recommendations that the librarians attached to the colleges which impart teaching up to postgraduate standard may get the scale of pay for lecturers in the college even though they may possess a second class master's degree along with first or second class diploma in library science, having 5 years diploma in library science as librarian. It further provided that the librarians attached to the colleges which impart education up to first degree course may get scale of pay for lecturers in such scales even if they may possess third class master's degree, provided that they hold a first or second class diploma in the library science and have put in 5 years services in library. There was also a provision to waive the conditions annexation number 2. Accordingly, degree college librarians got the same pay scale as was given to the lecturers of degree colleges via annexation number 1 and 2. After the 1962 revision, the parity was maintained annexation number 3 and the deputy librarians in the university were given the pay scale of rupees 700-1100 and assistant librarians were given pay scale of rupees 400-800, which was equivalent to pay of reader and lecturer respectively. The aforesaid parity was maintained on the basis of the recommendations of the University Grants Commission by the state government up to 1973, hereinafter referred as the UGC. University Grants Commission further recommended for the revision of the pay scales of lecturers and professors of the university and degree colleges in the year 1973. State government implemented the recommendations of the University Grants Commission in respect of teachers of university and degree colleges. It created disparity and anomaly of pay scale which was occasioned because of the recommendations of the University Grant Commission. Thereafter, various representations were made by the librarians of the university and their associations for removing anomaly in the year 1973.